On a sunny day, the animals in the forest decided to hold a sports day. Little rabbit, duckling, and squirrel all wanted to participate, but they quickly realized that each event required teamwork. So, they decided to form a team. Little rabbit was in charge of running, duckling took care of swimming, and squirrel was responsible for climbing. They supported and worked together, ultimately earning applause and praise from everyone during the sports day. This experience taught them that achieving a common goal is only possible through cooperation. Kitty Mimi and her friends decided to plant a garden together to make the village more beautiful. Each friend took on a different task. The little dog dug the soil, the rabbit planted the flowers, and the bird watered them. Although everyone faced some difficulties, they helped each other and ultimately completed the garden together. The vibrant flowers added life to the village, and the friends experienced the joy of cooperation. In a quiet pond, the frogs decided to hold a music concert. Each frog wanted to showcase its talent, but they also understood that playing together would create the most beautiful music. So, the frogs began to practice collaborating and harmonizing together. Although it didn't go smoothly at first, they didn't give up and kept trying. On the day of the concert, the frogs performed together and received cheers from all the animals in the pond. They realized that only through cooperation can they create the most beautiful music. These stories emphasize the indispensable role of cooperation in achieving collective success. The little rabbit, duckling, and squirrel united their unique strengths to excel at the sports day, earning widespread acclaim. Kitty Mimi and her friends overcame challenges through their vision and collaboration, successfully creating a beautiful garden that improved the village's environment and strengthened their friendship. The frogs showcased the power of teamwork in their concert, as their ensemble performance overcame initial difficulties and won the pond's animals' applause. These experiences teach us that whether in competitions, construction, or artistic endeavors, mutual support and collaboration are the keys to achieving excellence and joy. Cooperation transforms individual abilities into richer collective achievements, while deepening friendships and enhancing community awareness along the way.